Hello, hello.
Hello, Mr. John.
How are you guys?
Good, Mr. John.
Good,
I am
good.
fantastic. And you?
Whoa,
Hello, teacher.
fantastic. Hello, Gino. All right, I see Pedro. Hey, Pedro.
Hello, John.
All right.
Hello.
Yeah, everyone looks good.
You okay, me teacher?
I am. I'm a little cold. So it's a little cold.
Yeah.
Zip up my jacket.
Yes. Mm.
Hello, Fazilet.
Hello, Mr. John.
All right.
How are
Okay,
you?
guys. I'm fine, fine. Just a little cold.
Yeah. Right.
I know, and raining too. Rain. So, all right. Well, everybody, it is 6 o'clock. So let's get started. All right. So again, it is Wednesday, February 5th. So good to see everybody. So we started on Monday. We started with finding an apartment. So we're going to continue to practice that today. We're going to practice today's question, do some vocabulary review, and we're
Mama.
going to finish with the chat.
Okay.
Okay, well, let's get started. So we're going to go to our lesson. Let's go ahead and begin. Okay, everyone. So I'm going to show you a picture, okay? And class, you tell me what it is. So for example, class, is this the garage or the kitchen? The garage or the kitchen?
Kitchen.
The kitchen.
Kitchen.
All right, very good. Okay, class, is this the basement or closet?
Closet.
Closet.
Closet. Okay. Okay, everyone, look at this picture. Is this the kitchen or a house?
A house.
Oh, that's easy. That's a house, Mr. John. All right, here's the next picture. Is this a basement or a kitchen?
Basement.
Basement.
Basement. All right. Okay, remember this one? Is this rent or a closet?
Rent.
It's rent. Yes. Yeah, it says apartment for rent. Okay, last one. Is this the basement or a garage?
Garage.
Wow, you guys know your places. All right, very good. Very good. Excellent. Excellent, everyone. Okay, now, before we continue, let's go back and talk about something we started on Monday. And that was talking about these ideas. So let me put it up here on the screen. Okay, everyone. All right, I see Nancy's there. Hey, Nancy. All right, let's take a look. Okay, so on Monday we talked about things that are countable, right? Things that are countable and things that are not countable. So I'd like to talk about that again. So let's take a look, okay? All right. Now I'm going to put the not countable over here for now. Okay, so I'm going to erase some things. I'm going to put this over here. Okay. Let's take care of money. Let's move some of these things away. Okay, let's come back for a moment to countable. Okay. So let's come back to that word. Now, remember, countable, right? Countable are things we can count, right? So 1, 2, 3. So if you remember last time when we talked about countable, we talked about things that are singular and things that are plural. Right? Let's review those ideas for just a moment. Okay, so singular, singular, and plural. For example, if I say a bedroom, right? A bedroom, right? So if I say a bedroom, that is
Yeah.
one
One.
bedroom, right?
One
Okay.
bed.
Okay, class, how do I make bedroom plural? How do I make it plural?
2 bedrooms.
Yeah, very good. So I say bedrooms, right? Bedrooms. So like you said, Jean-Baptiste, maybe we use a number. For example, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, okay.
4.
3.
Four bedrooms, 10 bedrooms. Oh my goodness. Wow, 10 bedrooms. Wow. That's a big house. Okay.
Yes, big
Yes.
house.
That's a big house. That is not an English teacher's house. No. Okay. All right. So when we talk about singular, right, we say a bedroom. When we talk about plural, right, we say 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms. All right. Very good. So the important word, if you remember, the important part is that S. Bedrooms. Bedrooms. Okay. Now, today we're going to practice with our question, right? So, for example, class, if I say this question, right? So let's talk about this question. How many? Right? How many? Let's put this on the screen. How many? Okay. How many? Now, we're going to practice this question in just a moment, okay? But when I ask this question, how many? How many? Right? We can answer, we can say, right, 1, right? There's 1,
Yeah.
or 2, or 3, or 10. But when we use the word many, okay, so class, let's look at that word again. Many. Many. Right? So many is the word we use with countable things, right? So that's what we're going to practice with here today. If we can count it, 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, we say how many? How many? Okay. And if the answer is singular, right? That's right. There would be 1. But if the answer is plural, right, we would use S. So that's the first thing we need to remember today. Okay. So when we practice, right, when we practice our conversation, we're going to practice with this question today. How many? How many? Okay. So, all right. So let's remember that. Now we're going to come back to our lesson. Okay, so let's come back to our lesson. I'm going to stop sharing now. And let's come back to our lesson. Okay. All right. So here we go. Okay. All right. So looking at our lesson, let's come back now and let's look at an example here. So I'm going to show you. Okay. Oh, hold on. Let me zip out of here. Okay. So for example, we're going to look at this conversation, right? We're going to look at this conversation. But if you notice up here, take a look. It says, right, there is 1 bedroom, or there are 2 bathrooms, right? So is singular. Right? Are is going to be plural, right? So when we practice this conversation, we're going to think about singular, one, or plural, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay. So we're going to practice this conversation now, and we're going to think about there is or there are, right? So now, class, again, let's just listen. Listen to the conversation, okay? So I'm going to clear the screen. Let's listen to the conversation. So I'm going to bring this up here on the screen. All right, Mr. John, let's listen. Okay, so here we go.
Can you tell me about the apartment?
Yes, there is a large kitchen.
Is there a dining room?
Yes, there is.
How many bathrooms are there?
There are 2 bathrooms.
How much is the rent?
It's $550 a month.
Okay. Now, everyone, let's repeat, right? Let's repeat. There is and there are. So, class, let's repeat this part here. Okay. So, everyone, repeat this.
There is a large kitchen.
Everyone?
There
There is a large kitchen. Okay, now let's practice this one.
There are 2 bathrooms.
There are
bad.
2 bathrooms. Okay, so there is, right? There is.
Somebody else.
Let's try it. There is. Oh, Mr. John. There is. Okay.
Thanks, workout. Great.
All right. So, for example, there is a. There are.
There are 2.
Good, good. All right, now I'm going to change. I'm going to change this for just a moment. Okay, now guys, do you remember my pencils? Remember my pencils? Okay. All right. So, for example, class, how many pencils? How many pencils are there?
1.
Just one. So
Yeah.
you would say there is
There is
a pencil.
a pencil. 1 pencil. A pencil.
One pencil, right? A pencil, right? There is a pencil. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, look at my pencils now. Wow, Mr. John. Wow. 3. Okay, so Pedro, how many pencils are there? There are 3 pencils. Good, Fazilet. Yeah, pencils. Pencils. Yeah. Okay, good. So singular, a pencil.
A pencil.
Plural. That's right.
3
3 pencils. Okay, very good. Now, our goal here is to practice this conversation. So we're going to practice this conversation, and the idea is we're going to practice it together. Okay? So, thinking about singular and plural. Singular and plural. Okay? All right, so let's go now and let's repeat the conversation, because we're going to practice this conversation together. All right, class, so again, let's repeat. Okay? All right, so let's repeat.
Can you tell me about the apartment?
Okay, everybody? Can you
tell
tell me
me
about the apartment?
Yes,
Yes.
there is a large kitchen.
There is a large kitchen.
Is there a dining room?
Is there a dining room?
Yes, there is.
Yes.
Yes, there is.
How many bathrooms are there?
How many
bathrooms are
are there?
there?
There are 2 bathrooms.
There
There are 2 bathrooms.
How much is the rent?
How much
How much is the rent?
It's $550 a month.
It's
$550 a month.
months.
Okay, let's write that number. Let's put that number here, okay?
Okay.
That's a good rent, right? 550. Okay. All right, let's put it here on the screen. So 500 and
550
$550.
Yeah,
$550.
yeah, very good.
Month.
A month. Yeah, a month. Now, before we yeah, it's pretty good actually. That's not bad. Now, if you remember, let's go back to the dialogue. So when we have something we count, 1, 2, 3, we say how many? How many? But if you remember on Monday, when we talk about money, right? We don't say how many, we say how much.
How much?
How much?
Much.
Yeah, so when we talk about money, when we talk about price, right? Remember prices? We talked about how much. Yeah. Yeah, and that's because money, remember, money is not countable. Yeah, money is not countable. Now you say, Mr. John, that's crazy. Well, remember, money, the word money, not countable, right? Not countable. But for example, do you remember my example? The nickel, right? Now remember, a nickel is countable. Yeah, so for example, how many nickels do I have?
One nickel.
Just one nickel, right? Okay, now class, how much money is the nickel? How much?
5 cents.
5 cents. Okay, excellent. So money is not countable, but the coin, nickel, dime, quarter, I can count, right? 5 nickels, 3 nickels. Yeah. Okay. All right, very good. Okay, now I think it's time to practice the dialogue. So let's come back to our presentation. Okay, everyone. So again, our question for today is how many are there? So everyone, let's repeat. How many are there?
Money are there.
Yeah, so for example, how many pencils are there?
How many
Pencils?
Open.
So what would you say, class? How many? What's the answer?
One.
One. There is a pencil. One pencil. Yeah. Okay, so let's practice. Now, here's what I'd like to do. We're going to start with the regular dialogue. Okay, so I'm going to begin the dialogue, and I'm going to ask Nancy, you can practice with me. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I'll start the dialogue, and then Nancy, you will answer. Okay? All right, so Nancy, can you tell me about the apartment?
Yes, there is a longer kitchen.
Okay, let's try that again. There is a large.
Yes, there is a large kitchen.
Yeah, so remember, large means big, right?
Okay.
So when someone says large, that means big.
Large. Large.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Very good. Very good. All right. Let's continue. Nancy, is there a dining room?
So we said
Yes. Yes, there is.
Okay. How many bathrooms are there?
There are 2 bathrooms.
Very good. And how much is the rent?
It's $515 a month.
Excellent. Very good, Nancy. All right. Good job. Okay, so Nancy, I'm going to let you start the dialogue. Now, I'm going to do something different, okay? So class, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to ask everybody, okay?
Okay.
So Nancy will read, Idris, Gino, okay? Jean-Baptiste.
Yes.
Okay, I'll do this part. That part's kind of small. Let's see. How about Aisha? Would you like to do it? Okay. And Fazilet.
Yeah.
Okay, so hold on. There we go. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Fazilet, you'll do this one. Aisha, you'll do this one. Okay. And Pedro, you can do the last one. Okay. All right. So Nancy, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, Nancy, you start.
Can you tell me about the apartment?
All right, Idris.
There is large kitchen.
Oh, good. All right, Gino.
Of a dining room.
Dining room.
Dining room.
Good. Okay, now I'll do this part. Yes, there is. All right, Jean-Baptiste.
How many bathrooms are there?
Good. Aisha.
There is 2 bathrooms.
All right, let's try that again. There.
There is 2 bathrooms.
Good. Fazilet.
How much is the rent?
Good. And Pedro.
It's 500. 50 months.
Very good, Pedro. Okay, good job, everybody. Okay, so now let's change the dialogue. All right, so now I've changed some of the words. Okay. All right.
Okay.
So this time, let's do a little different here. Okay, so let's see who's here. Let's see who's here. Okay, I see. Okay, so Norris. Okay, and Clarissa. All right. Okay, so let's see. We got. How about this time? Maybe Idris, you can start. Okay. Fazilet, you can read the next part.
Yeah.
Let's see. Clarissa, you read the next part. Okay. Let's see. Norris, you can read this part. Okay. Let's see. Pedro, you can do this part. Okay. Let's see. Aisha. Gino. And how about Jean-Baptiste? You can finish it. Okay. All right, Idris, are you ready?
Can you tell me about the apartment?
Good. Fazilet?
Yes, there is a large living room. Laundry room.
Laundry room.
Laundry
Good.
room.
Okay, good. Clarissa?
Is there a living room?
Yes,
Very good. Norris?
yes, there is.
Good.
How many bedrooms are there?
Good. Aisha?
There is bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3
Two?
bedroom,
What? 2, 3? How
3
many?
bedroom.
3 bedrooms. Okay. Gino,
How much is the room?
It's the rent.
the rent. All right, Jean-Baptiste.
It's 550 a month.
All right. Very good, everybody. Now, take a look. Everyone look at the conversation. Everybody, let's say this together. Okay? So now this time, all right, everybody. All right, so class, let's try this part here. Ready? There is a large laundry room. Everybody. There is a large laundry room. Okay, good. All right, class, let's continue. Okay, I want to move Clarissa down. All right, class, let's say this. Is there a living room? Everybody.
Is
there a
Is
living room? Good. Okay, class. How many bedrooms are there?
How many
How
bedrooms?
many bedrooms are there? Okay, ready, class? There are
There are
3
bedroom.
bedrooms. Hey, good job, everyone. Now, notice what I chose. I chose bedrooms.
bedroom,
Living room, laundry room.
Laundry room. Now, let's think for a moment. Well, for example, in a house or apartment, there's usually one living room, right? Maybe one kitchen. Now, but bedrooms, maybe 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, maybe, right? If we go back to my first example, right? Bathrooms, right? Maybe 2 bathrooms. But in the house, a dining room. Yeah, usually one dining room, right?
yeah.
Yeah, maybe one kitchen.
One.
One kitchen.
One big
Do you have 2 kitchens? Anybody have 2 kitchens?
no
3 kitchens? 5 kitchens? No, just one. Okay, just one.
one.
Okay. Just one kitchen, Mr. John. Okay. All right. Now let's try a little listening activity. So in this activity class, let's try this activity. Now we're going to use emojis, right? Do you remember emojis? Okay, good, Fazila. We found it. Good. Okay. All right. So I'm going to. Where are we? Mr. John? Let me go back here. Okay, here we go. Sorry, guys. There it is. Okay. Okay, so in this activity class, you're going to look, right? We're going to look, we're going to listen, and we'll use emojis. So let me explain, okay? So everybody, look at the first picture. Okay, so everyone, look at the first picture, okay? You see the first picture? Okay? Okay, now listen to me. And you tell me, is it this apartment or this apartment? Okay? All right, so everyone listen. How many bedrooms are there? There are 3 bedrooms. There are 3 bedrooms.
Ele não tá entendendo esse. Yes.
Okay, good, Clarissa. Good, Aisha. Good, Fazila. Very good, Pedro. Okay. Okay, so the answer is right this one. Very good. Okay. All right. Let's now look at the pictures again. Everyone, look at the pictures again. Okay. All right. So here are the pictures. Okay. Here's the next question. Okay. Listen again. All right. Here we go. How many bathrooms are there? There is one bathroom. There is one bathroom. Okay, only one person, two people. Okay, everybody. It's this one. Yeah, I said there is one bathroom.
In some.
Now, how many bathrooms here? How many?
One.
No.
One.
No. How many bathrooms in this one? There are two on this one. Yeah. So
Yeah.
I said there's only one bathroom, right? Okay, we got it. All right, here's the next picture. Look at the next picture. Okay. All right, here is the next picture. All right, so look very carefully. Okay, so here's the question. Is there a bedroom? Yes, there is. Is there a bedroom? Yes, there is a bedroom. A bedroom. Yes, there is a bedroom. So which one? Which one? A bedroom. Okay, good, Gino. Good, Norris. Okay, good. That's right, Aisha. Okay, so the answer. That's right, a bedroom. So how many bedrooms?
One bedroom.
Yeah, just one. Okay. How many bedrooms? How many bedrooms here? How many?
Two bedroom.
Two bedrooms, right? Here's one.
Yeah.
And then here's two. That's right. Okay. All right, very good. Okay. All right, here's the next question. So look at the picture. Are there any closets? Yes. There are 3 closets.
3 closets.
Are there any closets? Yes, there are 3 closets. Okay, good, good. So the answer is this one. Yeah, how many closets? 1, 2, 3. Right?
3.
And how many closets over here?
3. Only one.
One.
Yeah, just one on this one. Yeah. Very good. Very good. All right. Okay, I think we have one more picture. Okay, one more picture. Okay, look at the picture. Okay, so everybody look at the picture. Okay. All right. Okay, here's the question. How many bedrooms are there? There are 3 bedrooms.
Bedrooms?
There are 3 bedrooms.
3 bedrooms.
Mm-hmm.
2.
Which one am I talking about?
Yeah.
2.
All right, which one? Okay, so the answer is this one. What did I say? How many bedrooms? I said there are 3.
Yes.
Yeah, over here, how many bedrooms on this one?
One.
Oh, no, look again.
2.
2.
Two.
All right, very good. Okay. All right, excellent. Yeah, now, as we look at the pictures, right, let's look at the pictures. So, for example, this picture here. Look at this picture here. How many bathrooms are in this picture? How many bathrooms?
Bathrooms. Only one.
How many bathrooms? How many do you see? How many?
One, two,
One,
Two.
two.
two,
Okay.
two,
All right. How many bathrooms do we see over here?
1 bedroom.
You sure?
two,
You sure?
one,
I see one.
one,
Uh-oh.
two.
Two.
Okay.
Right. That's right.
Two.
2 bathrooms. Okay. All right. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Let's go back to Burlington. All right. We're going to do a couple more activities. All right. So now let's go back to our Burlington exercise. Okay. So in this activity, right, we're going to look at the picture. Okay. So
Yeah.
everybody look at the picture, right? Everybody see the picture? Okay. Now, everyone, let's listen to the conversation. So we have 2 people. We have 2 people, 1 and 2, right down here. 2 people in the conversation. Right? So let's listen. Yeah, so let's listen to the conversation, okay?
okay.
All right, let's listen first.
Can you tell me about the house for rent?
Yes, there is a large kitchen and a living room.
How many bedrooms are there?
There are 2 bedrooms.
Is there a laundry room?
No, there isn't.
How much is the rent?
It's $700 a month.
Okay, so now let's look at these questions. Okay. Now, we're going to look at the questions and then we're going to listen again to the conversation. Okay. So look at the questions. So number 1, this house has a large kitchen. This house has 2 bedrooms. This house has a laundry room. And then finally, right, finally, the last one. The rent is $50 a month. Now, as we listen to the conversation, we're going to see if this information is true or false, right? Yes, remember, true is yes, right? And false
No.
is no. Okay? All right, so now let's listen again, okay? Let's listen again. And I'm going to show the conversation and the questions. Okay, so let's listen again, and then we will answer the questions. Okay? Here we go.
Can you tell me about the house for rent?
Yes, there is a large kitchen and a living room.
How many bedrooms are there?
There are 2 bedrooms.
Is there a laundry room?
No, there isn't.
How much is the rent?
It's $700 a month.
Okay, everyone. So let's look at the sentences. So the first one says, this house has a large kitchen. Is that true or false?
True.
True. Okay.
Yeah.
This house has 2 bedrooms. True or false?
Two.
True. Okay.
True.
This house has a laundry room. True or false? False. Okay. The rent is $50 a month.
False.
False.
Okay. Now let's listen. Let's listen one more time, and then we'll check the answers. Okay.
Can you tell me about the house for rent?
Yes, there is a large kitchen and a living room.
Okay.
How many bedrooms are there?
There are 2 bedrooms.
Is there a laundry room?
No, there isn't.
No.
How much is the rent?
It's $700 a month.
False.
Okay, I think we got it. So let's check our answers. All right, good job. Yeah. Now for the false questions, so for example, number 3, the house has a laundry room. No, it doesn't. Right?
Yeah.
So do you remember this? No, it doesn't.
does.
That's right. It doesn't. It doesn't have a laundry room. Okay, and do you remember how much was the rent? Is it $50?
7.
No.
7.
No.
7.
Alguma coisa assim.
$700.
$700.
Yes.
Now, that's a big difference.
Yeah.
$50, $700. Yeah,
$700.
where for $50, I think this apartment, maybe this apartment is maybe it's on the moon. You think so? I don't $50. I don't think it's on Earth. I think it's on the moon.
Huh?
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. $50? I don't think so. I think maybe on the moon. Maybe $50. Yeah, maybe.
Yes.
I don't know.
In the moon.
Yeah, maybe. I don't think so. I don't think so, Mr. John. Okay. All right. Very good, everybody. Okay. Very good. So before we finish, let's take a look at the picture. Okay, I'm going to show the picture one more time. So let me erase that. And let's look at the picture of the house or the place here. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So again, let's look at the picture one more time. Okay. So class, how many bedrooms are there in this house? How many bedrooms?
2 bedrooms.
2 bedrooms.
2 bedrooms. Okay, so yeah, so there are 2 bedrooms. Okay. Okay. That's good. There are 2 bedrooms. What about what can we say about the other parts of the house? So for example, we could say there is a living room, right?
Yes.
There is a living room.
1.
Okay, right? Okay, tell me some more information. There is a living room. There is a kitchen. Good, Nancy. There is a kitchen. A kitchen.
Dinner room.
What else? A dining room.
A diner room.
Okay, there is a dining room. Okay. What is this? What about this? Maybe a closet? I think so. Yeah, that looks like shoes, right? Okay. A closet? This must be the woman's closet, you think? Yeah, I think this is the woman's closet. And maybe a bathroom? Yeah, just one bathroom?
Yes.
Yeah, just one bathroom. Okay. A bathroom.
Bathroom.
Yeah, okay. And there isn't
Laundry room.
a laundry room. That's right. There isn't a laundry room.
Basement.
Okay.
Bathroom.
I see. Well, I don't know. I don't see a laundry room. I see a bathroom. Yeah. So, yeah, no laundry. Okay. All right. Well, guys, our time is up for today. So, everybody, thank you so much, and we will continue in next week. So, hold on. Let me find my answer here. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Okay. All right, everybody. Well, thank you so much. So make sure
Thank
to
you
check
so
your
much.
email,
Yeah,
Thank
do
you,
our
teacher.
activities, and watch our
thank
video.
you.
All right, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, buddy. We'll see you on Monday.
Thank you. Thank
Thanks,
you.
Pedro.
Bye.
Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.